how to stop Chrome from using too much RAM. So if you want to stop Chrome from using too much RAM, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Chrome browser at first. Make sure that you've logged in or signed into your account. After doing that, you need to go with the three dots which will be in top, and then you need to go with settings. Once you click on settings, you need to scroll down and then go with about Chrome. And here, if your Chrome is up to date, then you're done with the first step. But if it is not, or if it says you need to update, you need to just simply go and update your Chrome. Now, after updating your Chrome, you just need to simply go with the left side, and here you need to come with system. Now you need to turn off the option of continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You need to turn this off. After that, you need to also turn off the use graphics acceleration when available. And then you can just simply click on relaunch and it will relaunch your Chrome browser. After that, you need to come to the performance section, which will be here on the left side, and then scroll down and make sure that you turn on the power or the energy saver turn on. So that's it. Once you've done these steps, you have successfully stopped Chrome from using too much RAM. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.